Does preventive maintenance really reduce repair costs? Yes, regular inspections and small repairs usually prevent larger, more expensive problems later. Preventive maintenance means checking equipment and building parts before they fail. For example, replacing an air filter helps an air conditioner work with less strain and may reduce energy use. Cleaning gutters can keep water away from walls, roofs, and foundations, where hidden moisture can cause serious damage. Small leaks are especially important because a slow drip may quietly damage wood, insulation, or drywall for months. Write down the date of each inspection, what you found, and what was repaired. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for appliances, heating systems, plumbing equipment, and electrical devices. A useful fact is that many failures happen because dirt, heat, vibration, or moisture slowly weakens a part rather than because it suddenly breaks for no reason. Fixing these causes early often costs less than replacing several connected parts after a major failure. Set a repeating reminder for monthly, seasonal, and yearly checks so maintenance becomes a habit instead of an emergency. One common mistake is waiting until something looks broken, so check for warning signs such as unusual sounds, odors, leaks, rust, or higher utility bills. Another mistake is performing a task without turning off power, gas, or water. So use the correct safety steps and hire a qualified professional for dangerous work. Some people also replace parts too early or skip maintenance because everything seems fine. So use the owner's manual and keep clear records to avoid both waste and neglect. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.